Season is food, so I'm going to show you some sweet treats to stuff your stockings with this Christmas season. I've got pancake batter here colored with beet powder, and I've got 350-degree oil, and we are going to fry this pancake batter around this spatula. And now I'm going to take it and re-dip it in the pancake batter to build layers. We want layers of flavor and fluffy pancake batter around this spatula, and I'll show you what we're going to do with it next after it's fried golden brown. All right, and now we're doing layers of pancake batter. We're going to dip this again, get a nice even coating all over. And now we're going to come over to here on this rack. I'm going to take a hash brown and stick it right there, and that raw pancake batter is going to help it adhere to that. And now I'm going to pour more pancake batter right over the top here, and that's going to help everything seal together, and we've got a nice stocking here. And now I'm just going to take this fork and hold that in place, and now we're going to go back into the oil to fry that booty right onto the sock, and we're going to have a perfect stocking to stuff. All right, look at that. Our stocking is fried nice and golden. And now for a complete breakfast, we're going to do an omelet here to stuff inside of our stocking. Homemade gifts are always better unless it's an iPhone 15 or an Apple Watch. Hint, hint, wink, wink, Mom. Now I'm going to put some cheddar cheese on here. And last but not least, some bacon right. All right, and we're just going to move this bacon up so I can take the bottom, fold it up over the top here, and we're going to fold the edges in to create a nice little gift of cheese, bacon, and eggs. That looks perfect. We've got our omelet wrapped bacon gift, and now we're going to take our stocking here and put it on a nice bed of spinach. And now we can remove our spatula. Look at that, it comes out nice and clean. And now we're going to come back on over to our omelet here, and we're just going to get our spatula underneath our omelet, position it nicely, and now we can stuff our omelet into the sock just like that. We've got a beautiful, all right, we've got our omelet stuffed inside of our stocking, and now we're going to decorate the top of this, and we're just going to do a nice pattern of lace right along the top here. And to really spice it up, we're going to do some cherry tomatoes and jalapenos right along the top here to create a beautiful little decoration and a little bit of spice. Cherry tomato in there, and now we're going to hit it with maple syrup, because pancakes are not complete without maple syrup. Excellent. And now the moment of truth, time to take a bite. I want some of this crispy hash brown right here, coated with that pancake batter. Fantastic. Sweet, salty, crunchy, savory. Breakfast time. Christmas time. Two of my favorite